Hello, welcome our gear research channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best dash camera that are best sold and reloaded in the last couple on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1, Rove R2 4K dash cam built-in Wi-Fi GPS car dashboard camera. This one falls near the middle, which means it's full of features but won't cost the equivalent of a car payment. Its Ultra HD camera can capture images up to 2160p resolution, and the built-in Wi-Fi and GPS can track your route on the free Rove app or on Google Maps. It has a 150-degree wide-angle lens with an f1.8 aperture, plus parking mode, motion detection, G-sensor, loop cycle recording, emergency lock, time-lapse, and slow-motion capabilities. The Sony StarVis sensor ensures night vision video in clear detail. The Rove R2 to 4K car dash cam is one of the most premium car dash cams you can find. It provides an Ultra HD that will turn your travels into a video biography. This car dash cam also comes with night vision technology, allowing you to keep an eye on your surroundings around the clock. The built-in GPS navigation gives live directions directly to your phone with the help of its app and keeps an eye on the vehicle's speed for you. The Rove R2 supports 2 South Dakota cards with 512 GB of storage space to store the high-definition footage. Pair this with a 1-year warranty and you have the best car dash cam on this list. The GPS tracking feature lets you precisely track your car's location, speed, and route via Google Maps. You can also access the GPS records via your smartphone or desktop computer in case you need it to settle a speeding ticket or road accident dispute. You get the fully functional NaviCrest app, compatible with all modern Android and iOS devices. Just install the app on your phone, and you can easily manage your footage, track your vehicle, and even share your driving videos with your friend and family via social media. Number 2, ORSKEY dash cam front and rear 1080p Full HD. The ORSKEY S800 is a dash cam built for clarity. The camera element gives you a super clear, Full HD view of the road. It records at 30 frames per second. So you can see each subject clearly and smoothly through the video playback. The camera set also comes with a rear view camera. You can place this small waterproof camera in convenient areas without exposure. This helps reduce general wear and tear damage. You can select whether the camera saves clips 1, 2, 3, or 5 minutes long. The camera also records in a loop. So once your memory card space is full, it overwrites your oldest data. I like the ORSKEY S800 for its built-in parking monitor. It even includes a motion detector function. This starts recording when somebody or something gets too close. Another feature ORSKEY has is a great ability to see in the dark. There are 6 lens elements. All are unique infrared LED fill lights. Along with added HDR abilities, this feature lets you see even in the most challenging environments. It has features many others don't, including image stabilization to make out license plates and street signs, 5G HZ Wi-Fi for clear. Number 3, Vantrue N2 Pro Uber Dual 1080p dash cam, 2.5K 1440p front dash cam. The Vantrue N2 Pro is an excellent dash cam for new drivers as well as drivers looking to upgrade their current dash cam setup. It features both a front and interior-facing camera, so you can record both the road and passengers as you drive. The front camera captures video in 1440p resolution at 30 frames per second, while the interior camera records in 1080p at 60 frames per second. You also can change the front camera to 1080p 60 fps for smoother playback at faster driving speeds. For power, you can either use the included 12V adapter or purchase a hardwire kit to connect the camera to your car's battery for almost unlimited runtime. The front camera uses infrared night vision to capture clearer images in the dark and even has a 24-hour parking mode, which uses motion detection to only capture footage when something is happening. It supports microSD cards up to 256 GB for storing videos, and the camera records in loops, so you never have to worry about offloading old videos. The camera will automatically overwrite old videos when the card is full. The built-in G-sensor automatically detects when a crash or other accident happens and stores relevant video for later viewing. There's also an optional GPS unit you can buy for accurate location tracking to help emergency services get to you faster in the event of an accident. Number 4, Vantrue N43 Channel 4K dash cam, 4K plus 1080p front and rear. The Vantrue N4 allows you to get almost 360 degrees of video coverage for your car while you drive. The main camera allows you to record the road in front of your vehicle as well as the interior, while the second camera can be mounted at the back of your car to record behind you. When used by itself, the front-facing camera can record up to 4K resolution at 30 frames per second for clean, smooth playback. And when used with the other two cameras, it still records in 1440p, while the interior and rear cameras record in 1080p. All three cameras are equipped with night vision for recording in the dark and motion detectors to capture video when they sense movement while the car is parked. The built-in G sensor automatically detects when you've been in an accident or when something hits your parked car, saving relevant recordings for evidence. The Vantrue N4 supports microSD cards up to 256 GB, allowing you to record up to 15 hours of video in 1440p, and the camera automatically overwrites the oldest file on the card for loop recording, so you don't have to worry about clearing out the microSD card. An optional GPS unit is available to buy, which lets the camera record routes and location information. That can be helpful for parents of new teen drivers, as well as for anyone who needs to keep an eye on elderly family members while still allowing them to have freedom. Number 5. REDTIGER F7N 4K Dual Dash Cam Built-in Wi-Fi GPS Front. This car dash cam features built-in Wi-Fi connectivity that allows you to connect it with your mobile device. The car dash cam has a 6-glass lens technology that gives you a clear night vision for recording quality videos in the dark. The f1.8 apertures and professional WDR make for a high-quality camera. It also has G sensors to detect collisions and ensure that all the evidence is recorded. Many car dash cameras advertise 4K quality, but very few make good on the promise. REDTIGER F7N is not one of them. Its dual cameras use Sony StarVis sensors to provide crisp video feedback, with 4K 3840x2160p results on the front camera and 1920x1080p on the rear camera. It's another dual-channel system with a similar form factor and features plus high-definition 4K resolution and a wider field of view. According to Tran, the DR900XS clarity of video is unsurpassed among dashcams and very helpful for reading license plates or picking up other details on the road. The front camera's 162-degree field of view provides a significantly wider perspective than other dashcams. It has optional cloud storage, parking mode, and night vision. A fine product in its own right. But the midwife costs $100 less and offers integrated GPS as well as great video captures, 64 GB of internal storage, a compact design, friendly voice notifications, and a super straightforward setup. So not only is this our favorite front dash cam, like, comment and share. Please subscribe my channel. Check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.